everyone, so I'm Lark with the Madison Library District, and we're going to be doing a demo of how this craft for the STEAM craft works for summer reading. And with me today I have Kinley from the Teen Action Council, and she's going to be helping with this craft.
Hi, I'm Kinley, and today we're going to be drawing a life-size giraffe with a string and chalk.
So what we're doing is we're going to use this piece of string and a chalk, and the string measures out the length of a giraffe, a life-size giraffe. And so Kinley's going to draw a giraffe with using a string to see how big a giraffe actually is.
So, I want to get something away the string, the end of the string down. And just lay it out on the sidewalk. And you're going to get your chalk and you can just follow the string. Then you can move your string, and you're just going to turn the line into a giraffe. So, I'm going to start at the head and just draw like a circle. Ears. You draw an eye, and then you can just follow the line to make a neck. Going, and then when you kind of get close to the end, you're going to just draw another circle for its body. You can draw a tail. Then you can just make the legs away. Then if you want, you can add some spots on your neck. And you have a giraffe.
Nice. And then the full giraffe, I can't even see it all in the camera because it's so tall, but that's fun.
So with your packet also comes these bird heads and a piece of cardstock. So you can walk around and just find some flowers or branches and leaves, and you're going to make the bodies for the birds. So I'm going to do this flamingo. You just are going to cut them out. And you're going to place it on your paper so it is flat. And you're just going to get whatever you found to make a body. So I'm going to use these blossoms. Kind of create a body for the flamingo. So kind of arrange them so they're round. You can even put a little bit on the neck if you want. Okay, and then I'm also going to use a branch. Just going to take the branch off the blossoms to make some legs. Okay, and there you have flamingo. And then if you want, you can put out a couple of them. So I also have these right here. And this is a rooster.
Super fun craft, super fun STEM activity. All right, everyone, I hope you guys had fun with this summer reading program STEM activity, and I hope that you come and ready for the next one. It will be a lot of fun as well.